When in Chicago, do as the locals do. Now, I've lived in Chicago for almost 4 decades, so believe me, I know what the locals love. And the locals love Logan. Logan Square, that is.
So I live in LA now, but I still have local status because I'm in Chicago all the time, thanks to all the money I save by booking my trips on Hotwire.
So Chicago has no shortage of incredible food options, probably one of the best food cities in the entire world. But a lot of the locals love to dine in Logan Square. So many cool spots, trendy, hip, experimental, and I love to come to Parsons Chicken and Fish. Best fish and chicken sandwiches I've ever had, and frozen Negroni slushies.
Seriously, I wasn't kidding. Look at this monster fish sandwich. But of course, locals also love downtown. We love River North and exploring the new Riverwalk. We love the Loop. And we love the West Loop, some of the country's best dining hands down. But locals also love luxury, and Michigan Avenue isn't just for tourists. My favorite destination for a breathtaking and incomparable view and upscale cocktails is Z-Bar at Peninsula Chicago. And when locals want to unwind in style, they head straight to Iray Ancient Baths in River West. Because sometimes we city people need a little retreat. Want to book your trip to Chicago and explore like a local? You can even book the hotel I stayed at and many more on Hotwire for up to 60% off. There's no reason to stay home. Go to hotwire.com or download the Hotwire app today.